You searched how to buy shares of Vicinity Centres, and this video will show the steps. Vicinity Centres is an Australian retail property company listed on CBOE AUS. Its ticker is VCX.ASX, and this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After you register, you will need to verify your identity, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker VCX.ASX to find Vicinity Centres. Make sure you select a listing that trades on CBOE AUS to reach the correct stock page. Open the asset page to see a short company profile and a price chart showing recent market moves. Confirm the company name and the VCX.ASX ticker to ensure this is the right listing. Click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the instruction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or scheduled, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can complete the purchase. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio under Holdings. If you want to follow the same platform steps, the link is in the description below.